What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Motor Speed. We have for you here today in front of us a 2008 Toyota Highlander. This is a hybrid model, so if you're looking for something fuel efficient and reliable, this is your family car. All-wheel drive, so she's ready for the snow, ready for some Tahoe trips or wherever you live. We ship everywhere in the United States. We gave her a nice buff and polish. She's looking a lot better. The interior is looking almost immaculate with this beautiful wood grain. Almost looks like a German car if I ever saw one. Super clean steering wheel, the dash, touch dash navigation, all that. And like I mentioned, it does have the third row seating here. Super easy to pull and slide out all by itself. Here she is. Mighty fine. This is one of the best selling model cars on the market. And it's for a reason. JBL speakers. They did not spare any parts, any work on this one. This is just a gorgeous vehicle, guys. She's shining so nicely. You can't go wrong with Toyota. They run forever. That black with the tan leather interior. This is a limited edition, so it's got all the nice things here. Hybrid. Check that out. Got a sunroof over here. Really nice car. So there you have it. 2008 Toyota Highlander hybrid. We have cars, trucks, motorcycles, and dirt bikes in stock. Check out our website at motor-speed.com. We also have an Instagram at sac.motorspeed.com. Like I said, we do sell bikes. We have another Instagram at sac.motorspeedbikes. What do you guys think about this car? Let me know in the comments. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Would you want something a little bit newer? Or is this just super classy for how reliable it is? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.